Here's the updated weather briefing for Tuesday. We're looking at snow coming into the area after midnight tonight, and that snow will continue into Tuesday morning. There might be a few snow showers lingering into Tuesday afternoon along an Arctic cold front which will be moving through the area. The heaviest snow will fall on Tuesday morning. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches, generally south of Interstate 90, with a band of 2 to 3 inches along and just north of Interstate 90, and then the heaviest snow up to 3 to 4 inches north of the Interstate 94 corridor. As the snow exits the area, then we start becoming more concerned with the increasing winds behind an Arctic cold front. We're looking at wind gusts probably from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Tuesday, ranging from 35 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, and this will cause blowing and drifting snow. And this blowing and drifting snow may reduce visibilities to less than a mile at times. Even worse conditions are expected from I-35 west across southern parts of Minnesota, where a blizzard warning is currently in effect with visibilities less than a quarter mile. Along with the snow, there's still a chance that we could see the mixed precipitation across our southern portions of our area. Looking at the upper right corner, we're looking at the freezing rain probabilities. There are some low to medium chances that we could still see some freezing rain across Clayton, Fayette, and parts of Grant County. Maybe a small chance of sleet, and that's in the lower left, and that's maybe over southern parts of Grant County. And there's still a possibility we could still see some rain as temperatures climb into the mid-30s across parts of southwest Wisconsin and northeast Iowa. Looking at the winter weather timeline, we're looking anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of snow, with the heaviest snow north of I-94 for Tuesday morning and maybe into the early afternoon of Tuesday. Then an Arctic cold front will move through the region. The snow will pretty much end across the area. There may be a few scattered snow showers in the wake of the cold front. The bigger story at this time will be the wind gust of 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, and this could cause some blowing and drifting snow, especially across southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. We'll have to watch this period very closely, whether we need to actually issue a blizzard warning or not. At this time, just expecting some whiteouts at this time, and we'll have to monitor it closely during the next 24 hours, whether we have to upgrade this or not across these regions. Then as we get into the Wednesday through Thursday time period, we're looking at morning wind chills of 15 to 30 below zero. There may be a need to issue some wind chill advisories during this time periodically. For the summaries, we're looking at snow developing overnight. The heaviest snow will fall on Tuesday morning. We're looking at a chance of a wintry mix south of I-90, mainly Tuesday morning. The bigger concern on Tuesday afternoon and evening will be the blowing snow, especially across southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. As I said, we're still watching whether the winds will be strong enough for us to go with a blizzard warning or not. At this time, we're just still watching this time period. And then as we say often with this type of system, snow amounts could change depending on the track of the system. There's still some uncertainty out there whether we may have to adjust the snow totals or not. At this time, south of I-90, it looks pretty good down there. We may have to reduce them just a little bit. North of I-90, those totals look pretty decent. We may have to reduce them just a little bit north of I-94, but we'll see with time whether that occurs or not. This ends our winter weather briefing. Please check out our internet homepage, our Facebook page, and Twitter page for the latest updates on this storm. Thanks for listening.